Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your girl Kimmy Chemicals, and I know I haven't been making videos in a while. That's because I've been going through some personal stuff, but yeah, most of it's just been dealing with my weight, me trying to lose weight and whatnot so I can go to the military. So I decided to start off my weight loss journey. I decided to buy the Nutrisystem 5-day weight loss kit. Man, I'm over here stumbling on my words. My bad, y'all. But anyways, I bought this box at Walmart. It was, I believe, $39.98. But since I work at Walmart, I got the 10% discount. So that took off like almost $4 right there. And yeah, basically it comes with 5 days worth of food, 5 breakfast items, 5 snacks, 5 lunch items, and 5 dinners. And I actually started this morning, and the first thing that I ate was a cinnamon streusel muffin. This is it right here. And for the most part, it was pretty decent. I mean, it could have been a little bit more. To me, it was like dry. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that comes in the box right now. So for your breakfast items, like I said, I told you I already ate this. That's because it came with one of these, and then it also came with a chocolate one, but I don't eat chocolate, so I just bought a box of the cinnamon streusel muffins. So this is just another one out of the ones that I bought. So this is the muffin, apple cinnamon oatmeal. What else is for breakfast? Granola cereal. There's one more. Hold on. Oh, right here. The peanut butter granola bar. So, those right there are the 5 breakfast items. Remember, I showed you 4, but I ate 1 this morning. So, and it was the same thing. Okay, and for lunch, we got tuna salad, chocolate peanut butter bar, Homestyle chicken soup. Yeah, basically chicken noodle soup. Trail mix bar. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I missing a lunch? Oh, the loaded potatoes. Go. And for the snacks, we have chocolate chip cookies, milk chocolate flavored pretzels, coconut almond bar, dark chocolate and sea salt nut bar, and vanilla shortbread cookies. And finally, for dinner, there's chili with beans, barbecue seasoned chicken, rotini and meatballs, lasagna with meat sauce, and mac and cheese with turkey sausage. So none of this stuff is frozen. None of it you have to refrigerate or anything. But I do want to let you guys know that before you buy this package, be aware that you do have to buy extra items along with it. For starters, you gotta have the the Nutrisystem Turbo Shake. You gotta eat the, you gotta drink this in the morning, right? Like probably like a few hours after you eat your breakfast item, depending on how often you eat. For me, I chose to eat my meals every 3 hours. So I was due for my shake right now, and I just made it. This is chocolate fudge shake mix, and I think they have a vanilla mix, but they do not have it at my store. But I didn't have a shaker bottle, so I just used my Fiji water bottle. And this is what it looks like. The packs look like. It's this big old pack. You just add cold water and ice to it, shake it up, and it's ready to go. Now, like I said, I do not like chocolate, but you gotta do what you gotta do, because it says that the plan won't work unless you have these shakes, which I don't believe it's true, but I'm gonna stick to this plan, and yeah, hopefully I'll lose a few pounds. And I picked out my meals for today. So I ate my breakfast. I'm about to drink my shake. Where's my snack? Wait, let me see. And for lunch, I'm having the Homestyle chicken noodle soup. And for my snack, I'm having the vanilla shortbread cookies. And for my dinner, I'm having the mac and cheese with the turkey sausage. And they tell you that you have to add 2 servings of vegetables for your lunch and dinner. So I bought steamed fresh broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. And I'm gonna eat. They said that for 1 serving, I'm reading off the book. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. For 1 serving of vegetables, so 1 serving equals a half a cup of cooked vegetables or 1 cup of raw vegetables. So I'm gonna heat that up because I don't like cold vegetables. I like my stuff heated up because it just tastes better. But basically, this is the booklet that it comes with right here. And basically it just tells you, it's just like a guide of telling you like what you're going to be doing. And then it gives you the layout right here. I'm sorry that it's backwards, you guys. But if you'd like to get like a better video explaining like the meal plan tracker and whatnot, just let me know down in the comment section below. And what I also wanted to tell you that this plan is actually for 7 days. It's actually considered for a full week, but you know the box only says that my bad. The box only contains 5 days worth of food. So it tells you right here that you have to purchase a 2nd box of food to continue on with your weight loss. And yeah. Oh, what I forgot to say, that it shows you which vegetables that you should eat right here. It gives you like a list right here. Oh, and you also have to drink at least 64 ounces of water, which is 8 cups. And then once you finish the 1st week, I'm just gonna make another video on that one right there. And okay, so I know this video. Oh, one last thing. So for some of the items that's in the box, for instance, the granola cereal. Let me see. Okay, yeah, the granola cereal and the apple cinnamon oatmeal, you do have to have fat-free milk. Like, you have to have that with that, so be aware of that. And for is it the tuna? The tuna and another one of the dinners, you gotta have a whole wheat dinner roll to go along with that. Because if you don't, you're gonna be under calories. You're gonna be under the amount of calories that you need, and that's not healthy. So make sure you buy those items along with it, because no one wants to, you know, go to the hospital with being sick. But to end this video, I'm gonna try out the chocolate shake. And like I said, I do not like chocolate, so Here we go. It's actually not that bad. It tastes like chocolate milk. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this chocolate chocolate shake, and I'll come back to you guys with another video once I'm finished with this week. So as always, it's your girl Kimmy Chemicals, and I'm out.